Agriya is an 88-hectare master plan township development in Barangay Pandan, Panabo City that has residential, commercial, institutional, and agri-tourism components. With the top-class amenities, including the naturetainment. This is our lagoon. We can do boating, fishing, and pedal boat. Ameria, the first premier high-end subdivision in Davao del Norte. Magnolia, floor area 52 square meter, minimum lot cut 204 square meter. Caballero, floor area 91 square meter, minimum lot cut 252 square meter. Molave, floor area 117 square meter, minimum lot cut 330 square meter. Jasmine, floor area 100 square meter, minimum lot cut 204 square meter. Bougainvillea, floor area 112 square meter, minimum lot cut 204 square meter. Aurora, floor area 176 square meter, minimum lot cut 252 square meter. Acacia, floor area 232 square meter, minimum lot cut 330 square meter.
Hope you like my video presentation about Ameria and Agriya Township. So we have 7 house designs. You can choose from, depende po sa magugustuhan nyo. So I will assist you. So thank you so much and I hope to see you soon. And please message me. I will assist you for site trip and for other inquiries.